Hi, this is John Henkel with NETGEAR here at ISE 2020, our last year in Amsterdam. We're here talking to our partners, in this case it's Art with ZeeVee, who has some exciting news about a new plug-in module for our M4300-96X switches. Art, tell us about that.
Great, thank you, John. We're really excited about this product. It is, as John mentioned, a plug-in module that goes directly into the NETGEAR M4300-96X switch. And what that provides is the full functionality of 4 Zyper 4K encoders in this extremely small form factor. When it's actually double win, you get that small form factor and you get a much lower cost per port or per encoder. Up here we have the standard encoders, and you can see the size involved there. And cost, this is around $1,700 per port. You go down to this very small form factor, and it's a big win at around $750 per port. So, great partnership with NETGEAR with this module. It's officially in production and can be ordered today. For additional information, you can visit us at www.zeevee.com.
And of course, netgear.com, that's /AV-over-IP. Thanks.